Okay, the backyard is beckoning and it's time to learn how to clean your outdoor furniture. Like, for example, the LL Bean All-Weather Collection, which is durable, weather-resistant, low maintenance, and super easy to clean.
And there's no one better to talk quality outdoor furniture and how to take care of it than Tom the Tester, the lead technician of the LL Bean Research and Testing Department. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Hannah. How are you?
Great. I'm excited to talk furniture. Before we get started on cleaning tips, where are we?
Right now, we're here in our 5,000 square foot research and testing laboratory in Freeport, Maine. We have a variety of different testing equipment here, including intense weather testing in our rain room and on our rooftop platform.
Amazing. Ready to talk cleaning tips?
Hannah, I was born ready. Proper care is critical to extending the life of your outdoor furniture. Plus, it keeps it looking great.
And how often should I clean it?
At least 2 times a year. I wash mine at the beginning of the summer and at the end of summer. Additional cleaning may be needed depending on pollen, bird droppings, dust, extended storage, muddy paw prints as always, and then there's sticky s'mores. First, we need to brush off any dirt, debris, and leaves.
Is this a s'more?
Hey, I've been looking for that. You gotta love a s'more. We're gonna mix mild dish soap and warm water into a bucket. Then I'm gonna use a soft cloth to wipe the soapy solution onto the furniture.
Yeah, looking good, Tom.
Thank you.
Talking about the chair, Tom.
Of course. Now, let's thoroughly rinse with a low pressure garden hose. Do not power wash unless instructed, but since we're in the rain room, let's bring on the rain. So after you rinse away all the soap, allow this furniture to air dry completely.
And that's it?
That's it. Depending on materials, stain, and environment, some outdoor furniture may require additional care such as refinishing, touch-up paint, or sealant. So start with a gentle cleaning, then move up to any other techniques if needed.
So now the only thing left to do is
Just sit back and relax.
tuck the words right out of my mouth.
You know, since we're in the rain room, I've got lots of rain gear to test. Are you up for that?
Let's do it. For more outdoor tips and inspiration, go to llbean.com/outside. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more LL Bean videos. And if there are any how-to videos you'd like to see, comment below. See you out there.